I simply love October and all the beautiful colors and the harvest times that come with it. Okay, Miss Abby, hold this monster. Hold it tight, girl. Let's open it. You push one way. Wow. Smell that, baby. It smells like a watermelon and cantaloupe together. It's just so good. Okay, so let me show you how to make a soup. Cut up the pumpkin and roast it on 350 until it becomes soft, or the fork can go through it. Cool it, peel it, and cube it. Now let's get it to the food processor, and while it's blending, we're gonna add just enough of chicken broth to create a thick paste. When done, a paste should look something like this. It's beautiful. Now we're ready for the next step. In a large cooking pot, preheat half a cup of olive oil. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a half a teaspoon of Hungarian paprika. Warm up these spices just enough so they release their flavors. Now we're ready to bring the squash in. And while we are making our soup today with sweet meat squash, you can create the same recipe using ordinary pumpkin. Okay, the next step is adding the rest of the chicken broth, mixing it well in, and bringing soup to boil. All that's left to do is to add salt and pepper per taste. And here comes my favorite part, coconut milk. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Bring the soup back to boiling once again, and you're ready to serve. Oh, and I almost forgot. While you're having fun in the kitchen, please bring your kids to have fun with you. Some of the best childhood memories are made of moments like these. What do you think? It's gorgeous. So the food is done, so all that's left to do is to share it with our neighbors. So we're taking all this to our community event tomorrow night, and of course, you are invited. Thank you all so much for watching and for being part of our channel. From my family to yours, we wish you a great month of October and everyone thereafter. And until our next episode, please take good care of yourself and those around you.